Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I'm using vidIQ Pro. There are a lot of features that we can use and we can learn some good things so that we can make some continuous improvement on whatever videos we are making, or we can also focus on one niche, or say we can get to know what kind of video our viewers are watching, and or our viewers are like showing interest on what kind of content that we are posting. So based on their interest we can focus on that particular topic or say niche. So I'm just sharing it how to do it. You can see it right here, that brainstorming video ideas and tailored videos. Okay, so if we'll go to brainstorming, so what are the common things in my top of performing video, can you suggest videos? So for this they will be asking us to switch in advanced mode. You can see it right here. So right now I'm using pro version. Now they are asking me to take their boost version, or say like the top version, the most say important or valuable version that they used to deliver. So that I'm not at all using. I have bought their pro version. So let's go to this one, tailored videos. So you can see this right here. I just wrote based on my channel, what video ideas do you have for me? So they have shared ideas for me: the ultimate guide to LinkedIn networking, boost your professional connection 2024, with proper description, short of description. Now if I talk about, like, as we know that on when it comes to YouTube we can write around 5,000 words of description, but it's not 5,000 words, like right, it's like maybe 100 or something character. So in order to extend this, what we can do, I have told you multiple times, what we can do is just go to your say what's that, uh, Google document, and here just copy it and then select it, go to help me write, then do elaborate, help me elaborate. Once it will get elaborate, we can copy it and we can paste it in our, then we need to insert it, right? After inserting it we need to copy it from here to the of top of it. So yeah, from here till here. So this is one way, this is one thing that we can do, and then you can paste this like this description, detailed description in your whatever videos you are going to post, relevant, like on the same topic that we are discussing right now. So on this topic, for this topic we can use this, we can use this description, right, with 3 to 5 hashtags on inside that description box. After this, there you can also see another headline: digital marketing trends 2024, what's next for your business. Then description, again to extend this description we can use the same thing: target audience, business owners and digital marketers seeking to their, okay, from books to bytes. This bytes means they are talking about digital world, from traditional writing to digital marketing. From now, maximizing your online safety, tips for women on digital platform, that I can also like cover. So creating viral content on LinkedIn, analyzing success stories. So this is next topic that they suggested me. So I am just talking about the one that I searched for today. I asked them today, as I have just got 2 credit left. You can see it here. In pro version, we can have around 3 to 5, I think, like suggestions from YouTube, and from a tailored video, or say suggestions, title, everything from YouTube. And if I'll consume this, so I won't be able to use it in future. Maybe for the, like, for after 2 videos I won't be able to use it. So I am just saving it. So I'm just telling you the benefits of like vidIQ. From here you can see daily ideas that they will be giving based on your channel, or based on the trending videos that are there in, on YouTube. You can see from pet lover to high paid digital marketer, how can I made my, so from pet lover is nothing but I posted a few of my parrots video, and also I'm in digital marketing field, so they have they have crawled all videos. Out of these videos, whatever is suitable for me, like whatever videos the best for me is, say, kind of, I can gain good audience. I can target huge audience where people are also from that pet lover audience, and also from digital marketing thing. So that mutual audience, I can gain from this kind of topic. From now, so you can see, from writing to marketing, I am also in writing field, or I am also in marketing field. So they used to share very good topics. The truth about highly paid online marketing roles in 2020 and 24 and beyond. Upsell is a platform where you can look for freelancing jobs, or maybe you can hire people, right? Only fools and horses, Gary, Joel and Ethan Cohen, Turkey fossils and carving. Like these are some of the trending topics. So daily ideas you can see from here. Now we can go for AI generator. So here, what we need to do is, I have I think only 2 credits. I created one today. So what we need to do, I just need to write topics. Let's do it. So okay, on which video I should focus on? Okay, when I'll cover next video, when I'll think of the topic, so I'll do it, or and I'll record it. I'll share with all of you. You can see this, right? This I did in today's midday. You can see this. This is the same thing. Okay, so you can come here. So I just need to write a title here. After writing this title, I can get this kind of results. So the title that I wrote, so it would be, they'll provide me better version of the title, AI generated title. And then you can see description, you can see the keywords that I need to use, you can see this video script, and again you can listen to this. Okay, so that with this video script, will be in audio format also only. So yeah, just that you can also get thumbnails. Just that you need to make video, so you can put photos, you can put some say good, transcript of it, and then you can use this audio. You can use all everything. Description is right here, title is right here, everything is right here. You just need to put it in a video. Okay, so the next is keywords. When you'll take that boost version of vidIQ, so you can gain like better options. But as I'm using a pro version of it, so I have limited options. So from keywords, you can put keywords based on your video, and then you can look for it. You need to click here, and then you can select it, and it will be adding in your video, that video you are going to post. Now you can see subscribers, and then this AI coach. You will also be getting one AI coach where you can ask. I have just 2 credits left. Okay. So you can ask questions, and you can get answers. So I can ask any question from these things, or even I can custom this question. I can type it and then ask. So I'll ask it later because I have just 2 credits left. So here is basic version. So when you will go for basic, they'll ask for to buy that premium version. So let's try for it. So I just selected first one, came here, then I'm clicking here on send. They'll ask me to buy it. Okay. Okay, so they won't be able to generate a specific content. That's not their principle. So if I am going to give them some topic, then they can come up with something. Based on my content, they can suggest some ideas. Here you can see they are asking me to go for advanced mode. That is that final version of it. Okay, so you can see this I am using. and now they are asking me to buy it for annually. I'm like, okay, so here, so for like this is the best version of vidIQ that they that if you are using, you can really gain good things. But I am trying this thing, a pro version, and after this I'll jump into TubeBuddy. I want to explore. I have used their versions previously too, but as now I am like making videos consistently, so I want to explore these versions now, these tools now. So yeah, just wanted to talk about all these benefits of this vidIQ. So also there are some more things like affiliate center you can go for. Here I have added the link, but so you can see it here. So if somebody is taking this vidIQ Pro or coaching or anything, so you will get some commission based on the number of sales you have made. You can see 0 to 10, 15%, 11 to 50, 20%, 51 to 300, 25%. So yeah, just wanted to talk about the features of vidIQ. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, just stay tuned. Take care and bye bye.